Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna, and today I am here with one more video for you guys, and this video is all about my shoes. My recent purchase for footwears. I have just purchase some of the footwears for me, as you know that festival is going on in this month and upcoming month. So Diwali is also coming, and I want to tell you that my brother's engagement is also around the corner. So I just got some of the footwears for me and for my daughter, so I just wanted to share it with you. So let's start, let's begin and see what footwears I got from where also. First footwear that I got from Ink dot 5 is this. So these are the footwears from INC.5, or you wanna say it Ink.5. So I got these footwears from Ink.5. It is quite good in material, and it has got these velvet kind of thing over here, and then leather kind of thing over here, and one roundish thing is going on here, and then it has a very good thing detailing here. It has this velcro attached to it, like so. It has velcro, and if you want to adjust any size, you can adjust it through it. So yeah, the heel is also good because it is not too small, and it is not too uh, high. Love it so much. These are my so favorite, and I can touch it to my cheeks because these are so new. Yeah, so these are my new footwears from INC.5. So next I jumped over my another footwears that are blue in color. So yeah, I want to show you like this. So these are another footwears that are blue in color. I will be wearing blue dress in my brother's engagement, so I just got these blue footwears from one shop, and it has got this bow detailing here, and its heel are so nice, and pump also. So yeah, I like this heel so much, so I just purchased these footwears. So yeah, these are my another footwears. Then third footwear that I got from there is this. Yeah, I was searching very traditional footwear to sport in Diwali festival, so I got these footwear that I will be wearing in my Diwali festival, Diwali. And it is quite good heel it has got. As you can see, the heel, it's quite comfy in walking also because it's not so much high heel. So yeah, it is also quite good. The next footwear I got from Ink.5 is are these footwears. I just wanted to have one footwears that are so comfy in walking, and that are meant for shopping, to do shopping, because whenever I go for shopping, we used to walk a lot, because in the malls and somewhere around your city, if you are going for street shopping, or if you are going in a mall, you have to walk a lot. So I was just thinking that one footwear should be for those type of things, so I just grab it. So yeah, these are my another footwears. So yeah guys, these were all the footwears for me, and now jumping to my cute little daughter's footwear that I recently purchased for her, because she is about to go to her mama's engagement. So yeah, she will be she must be look good there. She has got so many pretty dresses, so she must be having some footwear in the matching of those dresses. So I got some of the footwear. Yeah, for my daughter I got these black bellies for her. Yeah, so these are the black bellies for her, and it's quite cute and very beautiful. I like it so much. And as I showed to you that I also got one footwear that are that is having velcro in that, so it is also having velcro in this. So like this it opens, and child can slip in her leg in this. So it is quite comfy in wearing, and it's quite adjustable also. So yeah, I like the detailing here. Bow detailing and some stones detailing are also going on here, and I really like this lines going on inside. these stripes, so I really like that. And also these frill, you can see hopefully this frill going on here, I also like this. So yeah, I got these uh, two little pumps for my daughter, so I really loved it. Then next I got for her are these cute little bellies. Yeah, so these are this is quite that peach color or pink color. Camera is not showing the actual color, but yeah, these are very nice color, and also bow detailing is given here also, as you can see, and stones are studded in here. So it's quite cute, and whenever she wears it, she looks so adorable. Her feet look so beautiful in these cute little bellies. And yeah, I was hoping to have one in white color also, but the size was not available, because she was saying to me that mama, I want to be like Cinderella, as like Cinderella wears white shoes, so I want also white shoes. But unfortunately white color was not available in this type of um, bellies for her. So definitely I will again go to that shop and repurchase white color for her. So thirdly I got these bellies for her, and this is for casual go. So I just wanted her to wear some slip on casual, so that she can easily wears it and remove her shoes whenever she wants to. So it is also quite good. But just one thing I do not like about this shoe is this these are quite her leg quite slips in this kind of shoes. So I don't know why the material is so glossy, that's why the her leg slips on it. Otherwise it is quite good, and nice colorful black and white flower detailing is also given here, as you can see. So yeah, it is also for her casual walk. So yes guys, these were all the collections that I got recently from Inked on 5 for me and for my daughter also. So I just bought these pair of shoes for me and my daughter. So if you like this video, please hit like to this video, and if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe button over there, and do not forget to comment below that which is your favorite one from these footwear. So yeah, till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and stay tuned to my channel. Bye, see ya.